Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a page view button in a fillable PDF form or your PDF document using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll create an action button and go certain page view option. Now set this form option and here you will find this OK button. Click here. Now draw your box. Now press the right button and select Properties dialog box. Properties dialog box is general option. You can change this button name, visibility, red only, rotate, and so on. As appearance, I says fill color, not fill color, and border color. To make this one. And text font size, I'll make 14. Text is type. Now select option. It's the main, and click on this label of button. Type your button name and this action. Now select this, select action, and first also go to page in this document. Now select add action to list and type here certain page number. I mean page number 3 and click on this down arrow. You can make this 100% or fit page. Okay. Now select close and press add button and click on this action button and see this page number 3 now fully showing. Again go first page and select the page view and page number 3. Now yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.